Well, if you don't identify just what type of trader you are, that's the deal. If you understand that in higher time frames, the funds and the institutions control the higher time frames in general. They control the breakdowns and breakouts. That's the higher time frame. The longer time frame, the mid time frame is really the positions are set up. Mid time frames, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. That's where positions are set up. And then you get, I'm going by the book here because I am nothing about going by the book. You all know that. The lower time frames are about entry and execution. I mean, simply put, entry and execution. So do I have 1 minute and 3 minute time frames here? There's the answer. It's about entry and execution. Execution saves you money. So tighter time frames are conducive to helping you save money if your entries are good.